And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a mosaic text effect. You can use a filter for that, so it's not that easy to do. Let me create some text I used to type to. You can also press T for that. I'll press Ctrl A and I'll size it up to, let's say, 400. I'll keep it white. Let me use the alignment tool, left click on it and align it relative to image in center. So we've got our text on a layer. You can go to filters, distorts, and there is the mosaic filter. But be careful. Let me check the preview and I zoom in. You can see it's also affecting the background of the text. So everything that's inside of the bounding box gets affected. Usually we don't want to have that. So before you apply the filter, right click on your text layer and add alpha to selection. So now only the text is selected. We'll go to filters, distorts and use mosaic again. And now you can see only the text is affected and everything outside of the selection is not. So this is usually what you want to have. First up, we've got a simple drop-down, tile geometry. We've got 4 options right now in Gimp, for example squares, octagons, triangles. Let me zoom in a little bit. For this tutorial, I'll keep it to hexagons. Tile size increases or decreases the size of the individual elements, so the mosaics. For this example, I'll keep it somewhere around mid-range. Tile height is only a minor adjustment, so it affects a little bit these, you could say, shadows. The neatness repositions them a little bit, so this has a bigger impact. We have color variation. The more you go up with it, the more colors will be randomized. You definitely want to check this box, color averaging, because otherwise you won't have colors. The second one, rough tile surface, you could say it adds a little bit of noise. I don't want to have that here, so I uncheck it. Allow splitting tiles, keep it checked, and we can adjust the spacing right here. So if you increase it, the spaces between these individual tiles will get bigger or smaller when you go down. We have 2 colors and they are for these tile spacings. You can adjust the direction of it below and the color by clicking on them. These are swatches. So you can see, I'll make it red. These are basically for the 2 light directions here. Normally you want to keep that to black and white. And you can randomize the seed by clicking on new seed. Let me check, maybe I'll increase the tile size a little bit. But I'm fine with this one, so let me confirm it. Afterwards, select none. And this is how you can create this mosaic effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.